weather looks good today, and we'll go East Coast Park. From there we'll see where we'll go next. Okay, let's go. We're almost to East Coast Park, just a bit more. Okay, simple rule. You gotta push your bike across the footbridge and on the bridge, and that is East Coast Park. Okay, now we are on the bridge to East Coast Park, and just below us is the expressway of East Coast Parkway that is going to Changi Airport, and over here goes to Tuas. I was from that overhead bridge, go down there, and we are finally at East Coast Park. Okay, let's go over there. Okay, so the sun is setting. I think it's only like 5 plus, and I think that's the police boat over there. Let's take a closer look. Yes, it is. Okay, if I were to cycle over there, it would take me to the Marina Bay Sands, and if I were to cycle over the other side, it would take me to the Changi Beach. I think we'll go to Marina Bay Sands. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are under the Benjamin Shears Bridge. Used to be part of the expressway from ECP to AYE. Okay, so that's the what do you call that? Singapore Flyer. Okay, that's the Benjamin Shears Bridge, the CBD, Singapore Flyer, Marina Bay Financial Center, Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and over there is the Marina Barrage. Okay, so this is the Marina Barrage, so I'll be crossing over here to get the other side of the place. As you can see here, there's lots of kites in the air, and I believe you can fly your drones here too. Okay, so let's cross over there.